Hi, Dr. Amdan. Good day. My name is Puspanjali Velu. My metric number is 259038. Today I'm going to present about my payroll system for the organization that I attended for industrial training, which is HT Tan. Here is the login interface and I'm going to log in. This is the main page here, and this is for the user and the user account. The user can update the username and the password from here. And next we will move on to staff management. We can add new staff name, IC number, gender, male, and the date of birth. Mobile number, position applied, entry date, and the basic payment. Your house, postcode 43300, set down, and state Salam. Now it has been saved, and this is the list of staff list that work in HC Tan. We can either edit and delete. Here we can update the staffs and details. Next is we move on to the payroll. So we have advanced payroll and payroll list. Because HC Tan they only give advance, so there is an advance payment here. So we just add an advance, date of borrow, staff name Azman, the amount, save record. Next we can go to the payroll list to see, view advance, view payslip. So this is the view advance. As you see here, we can see the advance payment here. The date of the join, there is no advance payment, this one. And the next is on the 21st June, the advance payment, the deduction amount haven't deducted and outstanding amount is 300. At the payroll, we can add a payroll for him. The particular advance will be deducted on the particular month. So he took advance on June year 2021. Add payroll for Azman, view, and here you can see the pay slip. This is the pay slip number, Azman IC, their position, and earning basic is 3000. For the deduction, you can see here the EPF and SOXO is auto deducted. It is calculated based on their basic salary, and advance is 300. The advance is deducted here, so total deduction will be 584 ringgit 75 cent. and the net pay is 2415.25 cent. Then we have to save the record. After it has been submitted, you can view the pay slip. For the pay slip, you can see Asman, pay slip number, period month, earning amount, deduction amount, net pay, and print it. This is the preview for the payslip that can be printed. At the staff payroll list, we can search for the payslip also. We can search according their payslip number. Next, I will move on to the report. This is the staff payslip report, which is on June 2021. View record. You can see the payslip report list for 3 months. We can select and print it out also here. Next is the payroll monthly report. For monthly report on June 2021, view record, and here we can see the total basic that paid, earning amount for the particular month, EPF, SOXO, the advance that borrowed by the employee, and the deduction amount and net base. So this is all from me. Thank you.